Digital forms of money have steadily pervaded the standard awareness and built up forward momentum. In any case, large numbers of them neglect to endure for the long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave it seized mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority aim, for the sake of entertainment. What is Axie vastness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie vastness is based on Ethereum organization. There are limitless approaches to procuring Axie, yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain compensating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of Axie endlessness. Axie limitlessness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing digital currency. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired enormous fame around the world. Subsequently, this might help the general development of the Axie environment and ETH, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and fabricates a vibe of a solid local area, cutting the guide to an economical stage. Clients can claim the local Axie vastness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across a consistently extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie limitlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The upsides of blockchain go past boundaries and the restrictions of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie boundlessness is set to make lives more engaged and quick. In a remarkable manner, the Axie boundlessness convention has likewise added to destroying the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it excess expenses, speed, or pretend of brokers. Axie completely centers around offering clients the advantage of effective information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and impeccable, consequently legitimizing its worldview job in the advanced ecospace. Axie endlessness specialized investigation. With a market cap of $1,196,533,123 and an exchanging volume of $255,365,742, Axie endlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors a tremendous recuperation. The Axie limitlessness cost weights around $11.84, with an unequaled high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie limitlessness has an ongoing coursing supply of 101,043,121 Axie, and the originators behind Axie endlessness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie vastness has a great deal of vows to observe for its fans according to their specialized examination. As per specialized examination, Axie tokens have been exchanging very negatively. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town, the token rectified greatly and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Be that as it may, the future cost of Axie endlessness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie the best coin to purchase in 2023? Axie boundlessness universe offers many advantages. However, the year 2022 was not awesome for the cryptographic money market. The market was very unpredictable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally horrible. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their possessions. Yet for new financial backers, it is a dangerous chance to enter the market. In any case, since the cost is supposed to rise, brokers who can manage the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie limitlessness shards. As per Wallet Financial Backers Axie cost forecast, it is a terrible long-haul speculation as the cost in the following year might drop to 34 cents. Though, as indicated by our Axie limitlessness conjecture, the Axie cost could start an upswing and cross $19 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise venture. Axie vastness value forecast 2023. Our Axie vastness cost forecast recommends that the symbolics cost could record a good recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie limitlessness cost is determined to have a most extreme worth of $12.96, while the typical cost might be around $9.07. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.15. Axie endlessness value expectation 2024. According to our Axie vastness cost forecast, the Axie coin will precede the upturn as long as possible, and its greatest worth might reach $18.25. While the base cost might be $12.50. Simultaneously, the Axie token could have a typical cost of $15.38. It is normal that the Axie financial backers might procure respectable benefits in the year. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2025. Axie vastness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $19.34, while the base and most extreme Axie boundlessness cost may be $16.30 and $22.37. Separately, in view of our Axie vastness estimate, Axie boundlessness value expectation 2026. According to the Axie cost figure, Axie's coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $25.15, with a base cost of $20.75. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $22.95. In view of our cost expectations, the Axie limitlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be colossal. Axie endlessness value expectation 2027. In view of the specialized examination and Axie limitlessness forecast, the cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $26.50, while the base and greatest costs of Axie are expected to be $22.45 and $30.55. Axie endlessness value forecast 2028. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $28.66 all year long. Axie endlessness value forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the likely high of the coin might have reached $35.15, according to our Axie endlessness crypto cost expectation. Taking a gander at the past presentation of the Axie endlessness, the base and normal costs might be around $27.50 and $31.33. Separately, Axie boundlessness value forecast 2030. In light of Axie crypto cost forecast, the base, greatest, and normal costs are anticipated to be $32.75, $40.33, and $36.54. Separately, in 2030, the general cost change for Axies may be remarkable. Is it productive to put resources into Axie boundlessness? In view of the Axie cost expectation, it very well may be reasoned that it is productive to put resources into Axie vastness as long as possible. By 2030, the normal cost of Axie limitlessness is supposed to be around $36.54. Our Axie endlessness cost conjecture certainly shows that the token might have a sluggish development rate, yet the computerized cash will ascend from now on. Where could you at any point purchase Axie vastness? Axie endlessness is accessible to exchange on major crypto trades like Binance, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, KuCoin, and so on. There are no immediate fiat buy choices for Axie. You really want to purchase Bitcoin with government-issued currency which can then be traded with Axie on upheld trades. Is Axie boundlessness what's in store? The Axie boundlessness cost might have mirrored a critical revision from a new all-time high. Be that as it may, according to the general cost expectations, the expectation at a cost ascent of Axie limitlessness stays bullish yet may not be essentially as radical as in the past.